Hey everyone, so I wanted to quickly share this cool tool that I found that I thought would be really helpful for people. This is the 2015 International Residential Code Quick Card. It's made by Builders Book Incorporated. And the thing I like about it is that it takes the code and really condenses it down to something almost like a Cliff's Notes version here. So you can see it folds out and it's got all these different sections here. And each one of the little sections actually has a reference number. It refers to the IRC code. So like this one here says R403.1. So it says, like for example, on page 1 you've got footings and floor framing. Then on page 2 you've got wall framing, masonry walls, roof framing. Then on the 3rd page you have interior dimensions, means of egress, smoke alarms. This page is all about HVAC. And then over here is plumbing. And then the last page is electrical. So very comprehensive it seems. Of course you're going to have to do a little more in-depth research and actually go into the code book or even check the code for your local area to make sure there are no amendments to the International Residential Code. The only issue that I found was down here for cutting, drilling, and notching floor framing. And they refer to R403.1.5, and I don't believe that's correct. I believe it should be R502.8. So out of this whole document, that's the only thing that I found. So check it out. I'll put a link in the description to where you can buy this. It's not very expensive, but I thought it'd be a really handy tool for people to have on hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for future videos. Visit our website at DIYapprentice.com.